Dear Madam, we thank you for your letter of the 24th February, design number 786, which you have chosen for your rug is a very popular one. In the last few weeks, the demand for it has been so brisk that at the moment we regret to say we are out of stock of the necessary materials. Immediate steps are being taken to renew our stock of these materials, and we can guarantee delivery within 3 weeks. You may therefore decide to wait in order to get exactly what you want. If so, the complete cost of the materials of the design required by you in the shades you wanted works out to rupees 200 only. The cost of the book which is necessary for the material is included in the figure, but if this is not required, there will be a reduction of rupees 50. You have our assurance that the materials are of excellent value, and we feel confident that the rug, when finished, will give you every satisfaction. If, however, you cannot wait 3 weeks, perhaps you will be good enough to choose another design in order to give you a wider range of choice. We enclose another pattern sheet which has just been issued. Para, our customers usually send cash with their orders, but if you prefer to avail yourself of the cash on delivery system, that can easily be arranged. Yours faithfully,